Hey, welcome to another episode of Only Dude in the House. Goldwood family here. We are out at the tree farm, getting ready to pick out our Christmas tree for this year. So this year we went back down to Somerset area off 13 to the holiday Christmas tree farm. So you're gonna tag along with us today as we pick out our Christmas tree.
Yeah, it was warmer last year. We didn't have to have. I don't think we had coats on.
No, we didn't.
Well, it's hot. We're all sweating by the time we got the tree.
Yep. Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
Guess what? It's Mason and Kate's 1-year anniversary.
Uh-huh.
I didn't know that.
And in 148 days, is it 148 days? 147 days they're getting married.
147 days.
Well, that's crazy.
Right here in the pine forest. I didn't know if there's anything smaller anywhere. These things will never get cut down unless they just decide to knock them down because they're way overgrown. But I see some smaller stuff on the other side over here, babe. If we can get out of here. Yeah, it's thorns. Oh, you mean that direction. Gotcha.
Building up a beautiful tree.
Oh, deer scat. Ooh, watch the thorns. Oh, made it. Yeah, there's some smaller stuff. Might be able to find something in this little row.
Not that one.
That's a ways down here.
You think?
Oh my baby.
All right.
Caleb.
Okay, I think I found our tree. We're out here taking all our family photos. Oh, lovebirds kissing over there. But here's our tree right here. So that'd be it. Get ready to cut it down here in a minute. After everybody, we all finished goofing off, taking pictures and stuff.
Let's take one like.
Kim taking video of me taking video,
Yeah, because you can't get these memories back right here.
right?
It's photo shoot over here.
Oh wait, let's do one.
That's funny.
Take another one. Take another one. I got it.
Mason's got Christmas music going.
Let's do it.
Hold on.
Don't look.
No.
I can't look at it. What do you think I
let's
saw
do
when
it.
I put that? I think that one your mom wanted us to take. No, that's still not. I saw that.
Pretty out here.
Yeah, the awkward one. Like I'm doing a.
Take one like this.
I'm doing a pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States.
Aiden, you're in the picture. Matt Taylor, not you yet. Hold on.
What was that pregnant Billy?
Hold still,
Yes,
Madison.
now look here, Madison.
Trying to take family photos is ridiculous.
Matt, could you try?
I was.
This is Matt.
Hey, Madison, you got to try this here. It might help you. Michigan's beating Ohio State.
Yes.
Come on. Yes. That's better.
Okay, how about a funny one?
Okay.
Ohio State's going to win the whole thing.
I got this one.
Perfect. Oh my goodness. Babe, get over here.
Mason, you gotta do something.
Mason's like, what? I don't know what you want me to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, now let's do
Okay.
the family.
I don't know.
Welcome back to Only Dude in the House. Lee is about to cut down this beautiful tree. I have given everybody the task of seeing who can get the best video for 4 packs of gum.
Slow mode. Up or down?
So should it be horizontal or vertical? What would you get for?
Horizontal.
Wait, which one's horizontal? I can't remember.
Horizon.
Sure.
Horizon.
Yeah, Yeah, horse.
Now, when it gets closer to the time for it to fall, that's when you need to do the slow-mo. He'll let us know.
My boots are all muddy now.
Do you need help down there?
No, I got it.
I just have to find the best spot.
Just gotta get rid of some lower limbs so I can get in here.
I'm not even videotaping until I go get it.
Oh yeah, I would wait.
Poison ivy that's in
Because I
here.
have my best spot.
Go grabbing that.
I think Kate's going to be the best for the camera.
Why can't we? Oh,
They have the same one. Wait, we need our Christmas music. Oh, you can't play it in video at the same
Yeah, I
time.
can't. Sorry about that.
I got you.
Ring a ling a ling a shing chong. Does that say Brandon hits?
Brandon, please.
Oh, I thought you were talking about let's go Brandon. Let's go.
Over here.
It's going to fall our direction?
Nope.
Nah, I do need to come over here.
Taylor, don't get in the way. Taylor, you're not. I mean, don't get in front of the tree. You're gonna die.
Oh,
Mom, what if I can't get to the top of the tree?
this is a left-handed saw.
Good.
Oh, that's for Kate.
Can't go back the other way. It's so sticky.
You wouldn't fall anything, right?
What?
Alright, good enough. Let's see what happens.
Oh, what did I just do?
Let us know what happened, Dad.
Oh.
I got the slow-mo. Face.
If you don't hold the slow-mo beyond the video, it won't work. Yeah. It like stops at the end. It's
Look at
stupid.
Dad walking backwards. It's funny. How about this
Hold
one?
on. Okay, let's see this one.
Mommy, can
Yours. Are you push and play?
Oh, this is the wrong one. This is 2. Did you get it, babe? Dad walking backwards is the funniest. And then there's this one. Then cutting. Mom,
You
can edit when the slow-mo hits. You guys know that, right?
Nope, didn't know that.
I didn't either. Yeah, Dad, did you know you could edit when the slow-mo hits?
Oh, Aiden's got a good one.
Let me see Aiden's.
Look at that one.
Let me see.
He got it like him pushing it over.
I should have
Let me
videoed
see, Haley.
too.
Oh my! At the end, it stops. Like when you said it, like stopped doing
Did you
slow
push
mo.
play?
Yeah, unless
it's
you can
going.
figure out how
It's
to
just
stop it from
slow
doing
mode.
that.
Mine did it. You can edit when the slow-mo hits. What the heck?
Okay, well, I didn't know that.
Hers is gonna look the worst because Dad's like.
I can't, with all the glares on it, I can't really see yours. I'm having a hard time.
Okay, where's your phone, Dad?
Looks like you got $2.
What are you complaining about? No shit.
At the end, it like doesn't do slow mo, right? When
It's
he
very
hits it.
long.
It's so long.
Look.
I will push you into the tree.
Did you get one, dear?
Yeah, see?
All right,
I got him going.
it's your job.
Work out?
So you gotta go like this. It looks like a
Hear the chainsaw? Go find the guy. He's gonna be done. Hurry up, Mad. Go, Taylor. Go catch the guy.
We can't have any evidence of us chopping this tree down.
Why is that, Mason?
I can't let him find us, I guess. I don't...
Haley, what? You have to come here because I have to take your picture that I take every year.
Kim, leave it there. We'll get it when they're back here.
Yeah, come on. Oh, we do.
We don't have to drag any more than we have to.
We did not do that last year.
What last year?
Where are you going?
We're just getting our annual, not annual pictures.
Oh.
Yeah, my picture.
I thought you were going to look up a TikTok. Oh, man.
All right, boys. Drag that tree up out of there. Put it on that cart.
Way to go.
There you go.
Yeah, boys.
Perfect. Good. Oh, that deer was a lot heavier than that, boys. A lot heavier.
Let's take that in and put up top there, guys.
Twist. What's up, Mad? Gotta bring it all the way to the front. There you go. All right, perfect. All right, cool. We'll see you up there. Unless you want to send the wagon down here. No, I don't think they can get down here. It's pretty muddy. Ooh. That works, sir. Oh, thank you much.
Thank you.
All right, we're on our way home from getting this tree. When we get home, we're gonna set it up and do our normal tradition. But I had to jump on here real quick because for the first time in 8 years, Michigan won the game! Go Blue! Man! I just had to do that. Okay, we made it home, and now we've got the tree up and about to put the light. So it's a large one, like we always get, all the way up to the ceiling, like always. But I'm gonna tie it off as soon as I get the lights on. And then of course, I'm getting ready to watch White Christmas, always a family tradition. So that's what I'm gonna do tonight. Anyways, that will end this video for today. Thank you for watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button there below. And then also click the little button and the little bell, and you'll get notified for any new videos that we will be producing. And always click and like the video if you like it. That's going to be it for this video. We'll catch you on the next one.